Guys, hi there. Okay, so I'm back now. This has been sitting for a while, about 18 hours or so. It is dry. You can tell it's dry here by the white, but I have gone over it already with a little bit of the silt. Now I did mention that the silt, the bottom part here, is super important. You don't want to throw that out. I'm going to show you why here in just a few seconds. So let me get this set down just a bit. I'm going to have to do this one-handed. I don't suggest using gloves because it's really hard to try to find all the little holes and stuff with gloves. But see how this is kind of all bumpy and weird in here? I'm just going to take a little bit of the silt, just like that. There's some water and some silt. I'm just going to throw it in there and smooth it out. All nice and smooth. It dries really fast, so you do have to be careful and get it exactly how you want it in that little hole. But there's no hole now and it's nice and smooth. You can tell it looks so much smoother. It'll dry out. It is pretty much already dry. It looks fantastic now. There's no pits, no holes, nothing. So that is what the smoothing is for with this. And it makes really nice smooth areas that you want with no pits. Makes it beautiful. It gets rid of all those little fine little lines and stuff, especially if you have like those little hairlines like this here. I can't tell if you can see, but we're gonna get rid of that just by putting a little bit of silt over it. There we go. There's no more hair, all those little hairlines that you had. So that is why you keep the silt. So I am done silting. It looks fantastic. Now I'm going to let it dry. I'll let it dry for about 24 hours because I want it to be completely as dry as it possibly can before we paint. So I will see you probably on Monday or Tuesday. It is Friday right now. So we're going to do that together with the getting it sanded, prepped, painted, and kind of put little lines of where I want my pathways and stuff to be. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.